Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to step into 2025 as the best version of yourself? This video is for all my stunning brown skin queens from every corner of the world. Today, I'll be sharing my ultimate glow-up guide to help you feel and look your absolute best before the new year. Whether you're looking to level up your skincare, hair care, or lifestyle, I've got you covered. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook and let's get glowing. Tip 1. Skincare time. Alright, sweethearts, let's talk about your skincare routine. We must establish the fact that a skincare routine is important to keep you glowing for the new year. Cleanse daily. Use a gentle sulfate-free cleanser. Because for brown skin, you want to keep your natural oils balanced. Think of hydrating cleansers with ingredients like aloe vera or ceramides. Hydrate your skin. You can use a hydrating serum like hyaluronic acid. And if dark spots are bothering you, serums with vitamin C or niacinamide should do the trick, but you gotta be patient. Exfoliate, but gently. Exfoliate once or twice a week to avoid dullness. Look for AHAs like glycolic acid to brighten any hyperpigmentation. Don't skip your sunscreen. Don't let people tell you you don't need sunscreen because you're brown. That's wrong. Regardless of your skin color, sunscreen is important to protect you from sun damage. So get yourself a sunscreen that works for you. Have weekly TLC. You know, it is good to treat your skin to a tender loving care once or twice a week. A homemade face mask is perfect for this. Mix a tiny bit of turmeric and honey in a plate and apply it on your face for 15 minutes before you wash it off with cool water. This mask is a game changer for evening out your skin tone. Tip 2. Hair care time. Next up, let's talk about hair care. Your hair is your beauty point, and it deserves all the love. Deep condition it. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, or straight, deep conditioning weekly can transform your hair. Use products with shea butter, coconut oil, or argan oil. Scalp care is also self-care. Make sure to massage your scalp with oils like castor or rosemary oil to promote hair growth. If you want to have an aesthetic spa moment, I'll advise you to warm the oil before applying it. Tip 3. Body care time. Your real glow starts from within, and this part is all about nurturing your mind and body. Nourish your body. Ladies, please drink your water. Hydration is important for a glow-up, so carry a cute water bottle everywhere you go to remind you. Eat foods that are rich in antioxidants like berries, greens, and nuts. They're amazing for your skin and overall health. Take your vitamins, especially vitamin D and C. Move your body. Find a workout you love. It could be yoga or dancing in your room. Movement is a mood and body booster. Stretch daily to release tension and improve flexibility. Mental wellness. Journaling is very powerful. So write down your goals, gratitude, and affirmations. These little things will empower you. Trust me. You can also try meditating. Even 5 minutes a day can help reduce stress and give you a sense of calmness. Tip 4. Aesthetic care time. Nail your look. Experiment with decorative press-on nails that you could fix up yourself or stick to clean, minimalist manicures. Upgrade your wardrobe. Choose clothes that fit your body type and skin tone. Also make sure to accessorize daily, whether it's gold jewelries, claw clips, or cute tote bags. Accessorizing gives a magical touch to your outfits and makes you look put together. Up your perfume game. Find a perfume that makes you feel confident. Scents with vanilla and floral notes are timeless. They keep you smelling fresh all day. And that's everything roses. Remember, glowing up isn't about becoming someone new. It's about embracing who you already are and amplifying your beauty. You have everything you need to shine inside and out. So, let's make 2025 our best year. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay glowing and keep being you.